Priyadarshi, and today I'm here with my question and answer round. So in this round I have to answer some question asked by Photofox. Well, thank you for the questions, Photofox, and I'm very excited for this round. So let's begin. I think that our body is precious, so if we have to maintain it, keep it glowing and keep it beautiful, so we have to maintain it with precious things because our skin, our body is natural. It is God gifted, so we have to maintain it naturally. And I maintain my skin by firstly, when I wake up, I start my day with one glass of warm water. It has a lot of benefits. Some of its benefits are it cleanses our organs, it helps to maintain the glow of our skin, and it also makes our skin healthy. And I maintain my skin by using the world-class products of Forever Living, which contains 99% of pure aloe vera. Aloe vera helps to maintain the glow of our skin and it also keeps our skin healthy. That's why I also uses aloe vera on my body, eat it, and I also drink the juice of aloe vera. And at night, before going to bed, I always drink one glass of lemon water to keep my skin and body hydrated during night. So these are some of my beauty tips I usually use to maintain my skin, maintain the glow of my skin. Thank you. Yes, my parents were always been there to support me throughout this modeling journey. Thank you. For modeling, firstly, a person's physical appearance should be slim. They should know a proper catwalk. They should have an attitude required for modeling, a killer attitude. And they should have a good communication skills too. They should have a great passion towards modeling because if a person have a craziest passion towards its goal, he or she is definitely going to achieve it. And they should have full confidence of themselves that they can achieve success. Without confidence, you can't achieve success in modeling. And in modeling, losing confidence is like losing hope. And once you will lose hope, you can't win. And they should be able to give the answers fearlessly without fear. And they should not deal modeling like a job, but they should deal modeling like their hobby. And the most important quality that a model should have in modeling is a beauty with brain, because in modeling beauty is required as well as brain is also required. So it is the most important quality for modeling. Thank you. Shmita Sen ma'am has influenced me a lot to be a model. She was crowned Miss India and Miss Universe in 1994. She has motivated me a lot as in Miss India contest she wore a gown made out of curtains and the flowers that were made on the gowns were made out of socks by a local tailor. She has not only motivated me but each and every girl and woman who believes that if they belongs to a middle class family, they are having poor conditions, having poor situations, so it is impossible for them to achieve success. She also belongs to a middle class family, but she showed that success doesn't depend upon your situation. It doesn't seize what situation you are having, what conditions you are having, and success can be achieved in any situation. It can't be a barrier to a success. And she showed that the situation you are having is just for a temporary time, but the success you will achieve in that situation will be permanent forever. Only passion is required in a person. And it's my childhood dream to become a model and a TV actress. And my interest towards the jobs never grew up, whether it is private or government. I never wanted to do a 9 to 5 jobs. I never wanted to work under boss or leader, because in jobs what happens, there is a boss and we have to work under it like slaves or servants. So I didn't wanted that. I wanted to do that work only in which I have the whole freedom, in which I can do anything with my choice. I'm free to do anything. And my passion, my styles, my posings, my confidence, my thinking led me to choose my career towards modeling. Thank you. I think no, because it isn't like that. Only rich peoples, only high class peoples can do modeling. It is a form of art, a talent which does not affect our status. So I think modeling does not affect my status in life and with my family. Thank you. No, never. I didn't easily get bad temper with my fans. Our fans likes us and loves our talent. So why should we get anger on them? Thank you. I started modeling at a very small age in my school in a fashion show. I found it very much interesting. I enjoy a lot doing it. And I usually wanted to do that things only in which I am interested. Then slowly my interest towards the modeling grew up and I started doing modeling and participated in various modeling contests in school and outside also. Then I decided to make my career towards modeling. And I also do modeling for my enjoyment purpose. I enjoy a lot doing it. Really, I found modeling a treasure in my first time. So therefore, I recognized modeling a treasure. Thank you. I'm very thankful to my fans and supporters as they have supported me a lot in reaching here in this modeling journey. My first and my biggest supporter is my family. If they have not supported me, I won't be able to reach here. I believe that support is a very small word, but it plays a very important role, a very important character in achieving success. Without support of anyone, it will become difficult for you to achieve success alone. And I'm very thankful for them. I can't tell how thankful I am for them. So, thank you all of you once again and love you. Thank you. I'm very passionate about the Apple brand. The things that makes me passionate about the brand are it has high quality products. Its products are stylish, sleek and modern, which also makes us to feel fashionable. Thank you. No, not at all. All models do not have eating disorders. Some of them may have. Thank you.